With word quests, what you need is you just need a pile of junk. Yeah, that's right, just a pile of junk. And what your students are going to do is they're going to have these vocabulary words right here. So, for example, maybe my vocabulary word is a hill, right? And so I could come in here and use the textbooks, and I'm going to type in my vocabulary word here. Then students are going to run to your junk that's going to be in the center maybe of your classroom. And maybe they walk, right? And what they're going to do is they are going to look for things in that pile of junk that would represent a hill. Once they find that, they're going to come to add media, go to the camera, and they are going to take a picture of that junk and explain how this scissors, right, is a hill. So then they add it on here and then they have to justify. Students will justify how, again, that image represents whatever it is. And they will have to use either the comment tool, they can add text, audio, or even video to, again, explain how the scissors represents a hill. So I might be able to kind of show, like, you slowly go up the hill and it curves right at the top. There's a little place right here that is flat on top of that hill and it's elevated, right? So they're using words, they're finding out, they're justifying that hill for their justification. So again, all you need is a pile of junk for word quests, and students work in a group to complete the vocabulary, photo, and their justification.